Hello there, I'm Martin from Snapdrill, and today I'm going to go through the most important steps to operate our pipe hole cutting machine the correct way. So first things first, you want to double check, triple check that the hole saw is nice, clean and intact. That means you need sharp teeth and also that the surface area is clean for metal shavings. Second, I'm going to show you how to operate the feed mechanism the right way. We have implemented a slip clutch that's automatic. It adjusts the amount of force you put on the hole saw, not the actual cutting depth. So we have the starting position, the drilling position and return position. And lastly, the recommended maintenance on the machine, which is simply not more than cleaning it for metal shavings after every hole and also using lubrication. Now let's drill a hole. So let's begin with, again, checking the hole saw. Not only that the teeth are sharp, but that it actually sits nice and tight in the machine. So this is not going anywhere. Next thing, we are going to activate the feed mechanism like so, tighten it, and then going in return on the battery drill. So we'll be 100% sure that the hole saw is all the way back. You can notice that the hole saw just keeps rotating. It's all the way in the return position. So we'll return the feed nut again. Make sure that it's all the way back because we don't want to start with force on the hole saw. We're going to start the battery drill first. Next thing, lubrication. Straight into the hole saw. Then we're going to tighten the machine to the pipe. First with one hand. When it sits nice and tight, we're going to tighten with both hands. When it's flush to the pipe, you don't want to use a lot of force. You're ready to drill. Feed ring all the way back. Battery drill in forward position. Then we're ready to pull the trigger. And then we can start to engage the clutch. Nice and slow. Now let the machine do the work. And as you can see, about halfway on the feed ring toward the top here is enough to actually make the hole saw go all the way through. You do not need to continue to push the machine because it only affects the amount of force. Now I'll show you what the max feed is intended for. We'll release the machine from the pipe. And I'm very sorry that I was drilling out of position here on the level, just for convenience. We'll return the hole saw like so. And in this case, I was drilling slightly toward the bottom of the pipe, which means that the coupon is prone to falling out, which I know a lot of people are concerned about, but not to worry, it's right there. One benefit with our machine is actually that it doesn't go far. It's right beneath where you cut the hole. So I'll go ahead and engage the hole saw again and use this brush. The brush is your friend. It helps you maintain the quality of the machine, especially when you're out there drilling a lot of holes. You need to ensure that you're cleaning the machine for metal shavings. In the end, that's actually what's going to damage your machine the most. If you're drilling overhead and a lot of metal chips will come into the machine, it will pack and pulverize eventually. So if you can make sure to actually clean the machine every time, you will drill thousands and thousands and thousands of holes without damaging the machine. and also the hole saw. And we've not even been that thorough with this one. We've used it on trade shows, and we've probably drilled a couple of hundred holes with it already. And as you can see, teeth nice and sharp still, so you can go out there and fabricate in the field. So make sure the hole saw sits nice and tight, has clean, intact teeth. Make sure you're not pushing the machine, and make sure that you're cleaning the machine and using lubrication, and you'll be all good. That's it for today. Thank you so much.